Chicks are cute, especially when they're babies. But they aren't gifts. They're living creatures. They deserve to live life to the fullest of their owner's abilities. A lot goes into raising chicks. 250-watt bulb, water tank, the adults require even more. Nesting boxes, or cubes that we bought at Walmart, $10 a piece. Cedar chips, or hay. And the one everyone loves to forget, oyster shells.
Chickens require a lot, which is why you shouldn't give them as pets or gifts to your children during Easter. Same goes for just about anything else. Rabbits, cats, or dogs. It is a lot to take care of a chicken. It is a lot to take care of a rabbit or any other animal if you're not prepared. Don't get them on a whim, and don't get it because it's your child's birthday. That's how I ended up with one. Well, actually, 3 chickens. And while it worked out for me, it was a hard struggle for both me and the chickens.